Mommy's cooking here. Your first time, Mommy?
Yes.
Yung kanyang pinagawang kalan.
Like we are planning in this summer, we will finish all the wood.
Ah, okay.
सब जला करके धो करके बनाते हैं।
Para may additional space tayo dito kasi nakatabak lahat ng mga kahoy.
It's a bicycle.
Mhm.
Mickey's bicycle.
We're going to Mishka's school. We're having her first PTM in her new school. So she's having sandwich. Abhi just came from upstairs and meron pinakuha si Hani na breakfast. What is this, Han? This is dosa
Suji.
Suji.
Chila. Try.
and chutney. Actually, I'm preparing for sandwich lang for our breakfast. I didn't know that she prepared. This is peanut chutney. Good. Mimi, you wanna try? It's good. I like it. Huh?
Wow! A plus, wow, congratulations!
We are back from school.
19 A plus, 20 A plus, A plus, A plus.
Almost A plus lahat.
A plus, A plus, A plus.
हमारी सबसे bright student है मिश्का.
But she's also very active. Naughty.
थोड़ी naughty है.
But she is the brightest in her class.
But हमारी brightest student.
And sabi ng teacher, she's the brightest in her class. Yung hindi lang, hindi subject yung ano siya.
But writing she has to improve. Writing she
Which
is
one?
having less.
Yeah, writing. But here, A plus lahat. Oh.
Great enthusiasm for learning new things and always wants to join group activities. My baby, I'm proud of you, my love. Proud of you, my little.
Ito yung kanyang examination.
Coffee. Look at that.
Good.
She did good, oh.
Yeah.
She did not answer, oh.
Some she would have forgotten.
No, sometimes she's doing it quickly so she can play.
Yeah.
Her mathematics are perfect. Oh.
Yeah, she has to improve in writing.
4,
Like-
4/4.
Matching and all she is
4
like
over
good.
there, she's good.
Only writing she has to improve. Like digits, letters, alphabets. All those things she is perfect
She's
on.
good. Yeah, she's perfect.
All other things she is good.
She's good. Perfect score.
पेपर हुआ था अपन।
So, Han, how you feeling now?
Feeling proud. I'm always proud of her.
Chal. Now it's time to make ourselves proud also by going gym. Chalo.
Identify and say one or many. One. Mommy is cooking rice. Ganito siya magluto dito, guys. Another style of cooking. You just boil it. Usually, we are cooking using the pressure cooker this time.
But this is a healthy way.
हाँ ये हेल्दी होता है।
Because whatever rice starch is there now,
Yeah.
you are draining the rice
Yeah.
starch. In cooker, rice starch is getting cooked with that.
But with pressure cooker, it's easy.
Yeah.
That's why we are using
More
pressure
convenient.
cooker. But this one, ito yung best way.
And the
Let's
so
go.
starch is getting washed.
Now we are going to the gym. We have a parcel. So Abhi ordered a new helmet because my helmet was lost in Madikeri. Someone has stolen our helmet in Madikeri. So when we came here, I'm just using Hani's extra helmet. So we ordered
13 years old
a new
helmet.
one. That's not 13 years.
So taking with the scooter.
So new helmet for me. Because Mishka already has her helmet, Daddy has her helmet. But usually, Abhi is using my helmet when we were in Madikeri kasi mas maliit siya.
See? I could be inside the...
It's too big ba? No?
Okay. Wear it.
Oh, okay. It's not too tight. Yeah.
Cover.
Mm.
Nice, right?
So if he's driving alone, he can also wear this. Kasi yung sa kanya, medyo malaki siya. Sa ito, medyo lightweight.
Look at the screen.
You try first na. Now we are complete. Meron na ulit akong helmet. And we are leaving Mishka with Mommy And with her cousins, Honey also is there because it's her holiday. So, ito yung kanyang dadalhin dun sa taas. She has books, crayons, her lunchbox, and water. You behave with Daddy G, okay?
Okay, I will.
Okay. This is your bag.
He's pasalubong.
Ha?
Kay pasalubong.
Dada pasarumbong.
Pasalubong you want.
She wants pasarumbong.
Pasalubong.
Pasalubong. Okay. Mommy will just go to the gym.
Chal.
Natin na busy Mishka doon sa taas kasi doon siya maglalaro. Meron siyang mga homework na kailangan gawin. So, today is the start of their summer vacation. Sa atin, di ba, yung summer class natin, 2 to 3 months. 2 months. Tapos, another school year. Dito, in between ng school year, meron pa ng summer class. It's new for us, actually. Kasi, last year, hindi naman namin naabutan yung summer class nung sa Madikeri si Mishka nag-school kasi late enrollee din nga siya. So, ito, first time namin ma-experience yung summer vacation. Actually, she won't be staying here for summer vacation kasi they are also conducting a summer class. So, ito mga homework na kailangan niyang gawin. And we are so proud of her. And nung sinabi ng teacher na siya yung brightest sa kanilang class, alam mo yung proud na proud yung puso mo na marinig galing sa teacher yung ganun. Though we know that sa age niya ngayon, sobrang siya very active, as in, sasabi mong may pagkapilya minsan. Nasa stage siya ng exploration ngayon. So, itatry niya talaga yung lahat ng nakikita niya. So, may nakita kaming footage ng kanilang CCTV camera. Yung hindi siya naka-stay put lang sa kanyang upuan, aalis siya, punta sa kabilang table, punta sa likuran. Ang dami niyang ginagawa sa loob ng classroom. Hindi siya yung nakaupo lang na klase ng estudyante. But at the same time, kahit ganun siya, alam niya yung kanyang mga lesson, marunong siya magbilang, marunong siyang mag-identify, marunong siyang mag-color, ganun. So, sa akin, I want to say this. May isang nag-comment na disiplinahin namin si Mishka, parang spoiled brat, gano'n. Whenever we discipline our daughter, hindi naman namin kailangan ipakita sa inyo or sa harap ng camera na ganito namin disiplinahin yung anak namin. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa mga vlogs namin, siguro 10% or 20% lang yun ng totoong nangyayari sa buhay namin. Especially yung pagdisiplina sa anak namin. Kasi dapat sa private namin siya disiplinahin at hindi sa harap ng maraming taong nanonood, diba? Someone have said that somehow we are spoiling Mishka. And for me, kanino naman namin ibibigay lahat ng pagmamahal namin, atensyon namin, yung oras namin. Pwede namin siyang i-spoil ng pagmamahal namin kasi nag-iisa lang naman siya. But that doesn't mean na hindi namin dinidisiplina yung anak namin. For me naman, we have seen how active Mishka is. Somehow, she's a little bit naughty. But it's better to have a very active child than a child who will just sit in one corner, who will not interact with other kids, who will not join with group activities, who will not join, their dance session. Because we have seen how Mishka has grown. She is joining different activities. She will participate with the games, especially,
Take initiative.
Yeah, whenever we are attending, like our Christmas party, Filipino Christmas party in Bangalore, she will join games, she will join the dance, and here recently they had a dance performance and she was dancing really good. Actually, the teacher said that only 2 of them are dancing really good. Yung nakikinig talaga sa teacher whenever they are having their dance class, and Mishka is one of them. And she's very good with her class, so it's okay if she is active. Sometimes she is disobeying also, but all of us has disobeyed one way or another. For us, we are letting her be a kid. So let her enjoy her childhood. We are very proud of our daughter. She has grown a lot. She has improved a lot. And we are so proud of her. There. Now we are going to the gym. It's time for mommy and daddy. Naka-lipstick pa pala ako kasi. So let's go.
Why your lipstick? Gym. So old.
We just came from the gym. And mommy has already cooked rice and may isang sabji siya na niluto. Pero meron siyang hinanda na bitter gourd. Tapos meron niyang masala sa loob. So So, instead na i-fry, sabi niya kung pwede bang i-air fryer dito. Air fryer natin siya para less oil yung ating makonsume. So, meron siyang stuffing, masala, and then yung laman din ng bitter gourd sa loob. Nilalagay niya dyan. Mommy is here already.
Hey, mommy. दाल
विलेज स्टाइल सब्जी चावल इसमें राइस है बना
ठीक है mami. Hindi na namin kailangan magluto.
बर्तन करना जमा हो गया
No, ठीक है mami. ठीक है mami. No, I will wash.
इसमें घंटा लगता है तो पूरा फट देते
नहीं
This is what mommy has cooked. Actually, ito ba? It tastes like meatballs, pero veg siya. Daddy, what is this ganit, Daddy, oh?
दाल मेकअप लाइक
Parang dal siya na parang ginawang bola-bola. Masarap siya actually. Parang meatballs nga lang talaga. Here, Ate is cooking paneer.
also not with curd some masala.
After 20 minutes, ito na yung itsura niya. Papacheck ko kay Mami if tama na ba ito or kailangan pa ng additional cooking time. Bye, Mimi! Gagala na naman tayo. We are going out. We are going to the mall kasi aya si Abhi na mag-mall daw kami. And I'm so happy guys because today I am finally able to wear my dress again. So yung dress na to, regalo sa akin to ni Abhi nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa Dubai. In-order niya online tapos nakalimutan ko na yung story. Pero umorder siya online or yung kaibigan ko yung umorder online, something ganon. Parang nag-usap sila to surprise me on my birthday. So finally, I am wearing this again. After getting pregnant, this is the first time that I'm wearing this dress again. Kasi dati, malaki yung chan ko eh. Unti-unti, bumabalik na ako sa aking dating katawan. I'm not really into losing so much weight. Kung ano yung katawan ko ngayon, okay na sa akin na as is na yung katawan ko na ganito lang. Yung gusto ko lang mabawasan is yung aking puson, yung aking tiyan. Kasi malaki talaga yung tiyan ko after manganak. So ngayon, I'm so happy. Nakasya na ulit ako sa aking dress. Oh, so happy! Mahilig ako sa mga dress ever since. Tapos skirt. Tapos dati mahilig ako sa mga high waist na mga skirt. Nung nanganak ako, hindi na talaga magkasya sa waist yung aking mga skirt. So now, after going to the gym, for like more than a month na, or mga 1 month na siguro, nag-gym kami ni Abhi. So, I can finally fit!
It's an office, baby.
It's a science center.
Ha?
It's a science center.
We are back to City Center Mall again. Ito yung pinakamaganda at pinakamalaking mall dito sa Patna. Kaya ito yung palagi naming puntahan ng mall. Ito lang naman yung nag-iisang maganda. Brake, brake. Can you press the brake? Yeah. She's braking. If there are people, you have to brake, okay? So you won't hit them. Okay. Go to the playground. We'll eat food after some time. Mimi. Great job. Good job, Miss.
Yeah.
Good job, Miss. Good job. Our pizza. We have margarita here and veggie pizza. It's hot. Just here, hold here. This one is not thick, so. Daddy, this is nice, huh? Han? Check, babe. How much is this, no? How much? Wait. 2,999. 3,000. Ang mahal pala. So, pauwi. Nag-Uber lang kami. Tapos, Abby bumalik siya para bumili ng fruits. So, we bought ball for Mimi. Ilang piraso lang naman to, guys. Pang gym lang talaga namin. And I got 2 sport bras. Discounted siya. So, 399 lang to. Tapos, yung ito naman, 499. Pero yung MRP nito, guys, 799. Tapos, ito naman, 1599. So, diba? 1599. Nakuha ko lang siya ng 399. So, 400. For Daddy, t-shirt and shorts. Kinakareer na talaga namin yung aming fitness journey. So, ito pang additional sa aming damit. Ako kasi parang 4 lang ata yung sports bra ko. So, nagdagdag na ako 2. And discounted lang naman. So, okay lang.
Please like our channel. Subscribe.